If you can hear me, just share in the chat yes, or you can just hand raise so that I can also confirm you can hear me. Yes, okay. Thank you, Vijay Kumar. Welcome. Thank you everyone for joining. Reconnect. I just take 2 minutes to introduce, then we can get into the sessions. Reconnect is dedicated session for people who are working in wind energy sector to share their challenges and to share their opportunities and exchange the knowledge between us. It's like not exactly a very formal event. It's like an informal event. So you can feel free and you can share your challenges, what you are facing in this week or currently in your profile. And also you can share your opportunity, whatever you are coming across, and whatever the win you made in this week, like you achieved in this week, that's also you can share. I welcome every one of you to for joining this this evening, because Saturday evening everyone is busy with their own other activities. But I really appreciate for your time, and you taken valuable of your time and joining here. Once again, I welcome every one of you here. So the opportunity first, you can like introduce about you. Like it is not about me every time I am going to share here, because we are going to discuss all of us. So this is the initiative from Resource Development Research Center to support the people in wind energy sector within India, to initiate the learning process in different formats. The one of thing is Reconnect meeting, and many other things we launched, like you might be seeing my videos like micro learning, and you also seen other sessions like regular training sessions going, and quiz programs also we launched, just to encourage all our people to get into the sustainable lifestyle. That is the main aim. So we have launched Wind Energy Professional in India LinkedIn group also specially. So that's ultimate aim. Whatever possible, because I work in wind energy, so now it is my turn to contribute back to the renewable energy sector. That is what my commitment to. While I'm working, while I'm just taken the new path. So now the floor is open to everyone. You can share your challenges, what you are facing. If you are having like any of the participant can give the answer, they can also raise the hand, they can give the answer. If not, you have the opportunity, like you can we have the link to fill out to your questions. That questions will be taken, and then we invite the experts in this field. They can also share their respective answer for you. Otherwise, I will also ask offline to the experts to get the answer either in the video format or audio format. That will be shared in our RDRC YouTube channel and our LinkedIn profiles also. So you can use it. That's the thing. Challenges and then opportunities, if you are come across, you can also share. Then wins. Today, just after completing our discussions, I will be sharing. I just come across Vistas. I noticed that across the globe there are 1,109 openings available. India 72 openings are available. We will discuss about that at the end of the just before closing. So the floor is open to all of you. Anyone who is interested, then join and share your name and where you are working, and what is your total number of experience in renewable energy sector or wind energy sector, and then you can share your important challenge and win and opportunity. That's it from my side. I am R. Mahendran, founder of Sustainable Lifestyle Hub and Resource Development Research Center. Welcome you for Reconnect meeting. Thank you. So Vijay Kumar, you are ready to go. Okay, thank you. Allow to speak. So people who are first time joining and you find any difficulties to use this app, please try to find the solution and you can share. Thank you. Welcome Vijay Kumar. Please share about you. I can see from your welcome Saravanan, Tangapandi, Rakesh Roy, Tambiturai. Yeah, welcome boss. Maula, Hussain and Sunil Kumar. I think almost I know all your names by previous meetings. Thank you for joining. Yeah, please Vijay Kumar, please share about you. You can unmute and you can speak.
Yes, sir. Very good evening, sir. And very good evening to all those who joined. And sir, good evening, sir, Saravanan, sir. And first I would like to appreciate your thought and your interest that the Reconnect all those who are in wind energy industry, that too, uh, you are taking a good effort. So I would like to appreciate first of all.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
the second thing, the short introduce about me. I am Vijay Kumar. I am working as a load engineer at Senvion India Private Limited, which is located in Bangalore. And this is my first job in the industry aspect. Just I'm completing my studies, and just almost 10 months experience in the wind domain. So just I'm in the learning aspects as a load engineer. Um my roles are my roles is like calculating the loads on the wind turbine components like a blades, tower, and a nozzle, hub, like this. And the third thing, opportunity in the wind domain. I'm seeing a more opportunity in the future because the wind is the driving factor in the future. Like without any CO2 emission, our target is maybe in 2030. Our India is focusing on, I think, some gigawatt, 30 or 20 gigawatt. I cannot remember the exact values. So I can feel we all have a more opportunity in the future. That's what I'm looking at the opportunity aspects. Um, and also, this is what this week I attended your session, sir, regarding this power curve assessment. It was very interesting and useful information. And also, I'm spending a little more time on the power curve assessment. Maybe we will connect in this coming week, then second session.
Yeah.
I feel it will be much interesting than the first week.
Yeah.
And challenges, as I told last week, I'm little means as you suggested, I'm just following the time management. For example, how to personal work, how to office work,
Yeah.
and then how to spend the time with the family.
Yeah.
Just I'm trying to do that is my main challenge right now.
Yeah. Okay.
But as you suggested, I'm following some track sheet by using the Excel sheet. It is very good.
Yeah.
But I would like to improve on this.
Yes.
That's what. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I think I took more time.
No problem. Thank you very much for sharing. Really, the time management, it's a continual process. We cannot stop at a single place. We can proceed. Thank you very much for sharing your experience and challenges and things. Thank you very much. Anyone else who want to join?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Vijay. Thank you. All the best.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So anyone else, you can raise your hands and you can unmute, and I can allow you to speak. Meantime, I will also share one important information. Like as I said, we launched many quiz programs. So people interested who can join, and they can also participate and win the prizes also. Okay, you can get like access to my programs for free, and then otherwise you can also join any of the, like I'm looking for different prizes. So more participants can learn a lot of things that will be helpful for you and for the industry. That is the ultimate aim for us. Okay, anyone else who like to share now? Saravanan, please, if you like, you can also share your thoughts. Like you can share your challenges or your opportunities and wins for this recent period. Anyone, please share. Meantime, I'm also consolidating some of the information like openings or opportunities available in Vistas. People interested also think about it. And yeah, please share something. Anyone? I think people who are joining first time facing some problem of how to use this application, because I've seen every week people facing that challenges. Anyone? Yes, Sri Lakshman. No need to wait. Please come because we have a limited time. How fast people are coming like that? Yeah, thank you very much, Sri Lakshman. Yeah, please. I think I allowed. Yeah, you can unmute sign. Welcome, Lakshman. Yes.
Good
Thank you
evening,
for
sir.
joining a consecutive
Good
sessions.
evening to
Yeah.
all.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, this week I have faced one challenge.
Yeah.
I checked slipping. Actually, how not get communication. So I went and checked the pit slipping. I found two carbon buses changed the tracks, but that two carbon bus connections not in line. How that fault coming? I don't
Yeah.
know.
Can you repeat this? Can you repeat this question? Anyone who is working in O&M,
Actually,
please try to answer this question. Yeah, please go ahead.
I checked the picture thing.
Okay.
Two carbon brush changed the tracks. Actually, the near track is moved on. I checked that in my scatter side that two carbon brush track not in line, not in supply not going, but
Okay.
it's changed the tracks. That fault is triggering sometimes. I replaced that carbon brush. Then I fixed the proper tracks.
Hmm.
Then that turbine running normally.
Okay.
There is no connection. There is no supply going on that slipping track. But
Okay.
the fault is coming. Why?
Okay. Okay. So this is O&M related question. Anybody interested? Like who can answer this? Okay, meantime, let us wait. Somebody might be in O&M, they can answer it. Okay, meantime, Sri Lakshman, can you say how to unmute and join the meeting? Okay,
Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, I asked last week some that related water side voltage level and current level.
hmm.
I found that answer. I checked with some colleagues. They said go to SCADA, then choose some different way. You can see the power generation, scatter
Okay,
power and rotor power. I get that answer actually.
okay. So you got the answer.
Monitoring going to again. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
How that output is coming, how that power you are replacing to next side.
Hmm.
All details I see in the SCADA.
Okay, super. Thank you very much for taking initiative to check with friend, like your colleagues and learning. That's what it's very simple. You can continuously discuss with your colleagues and get the knowledge. That's one option. Thank you for making it happen. Okay, if anybody in O&M, can you answer his question on like how it can be found his problem? If you have answers, please share. Okay, so there is a question from Saran. Saran, for unmute, like you have the option in the bottom. If you are joined from laptop, there is an option like in the you can see there is an option for mic. You can click and join. Just click, and you can see whether you can like unmute yourself. So Vijay Kumar, can you share like you share using joined using mobile or laptop? Just unmute and share with us because I'm like a host. I don't know in the joining side what is the challenge is there. I don't know. Please share. Someone please share. Thank you, Sri Lakshman. Thank you very much. Any win? Okay, you shared your win last week. You find the challenge that you solved now. Now this week you have a new thing. I don't know. Anyone here in O&M they can share. Otherwise, no problem. We can get the answer. No problem. Within a week time. Cool. Super. So you tell me like how you unmute and you join. Okay. Now Saran got the answer, I guess. Okay. Thank you very much. Anything else, Sri Lakshman?
Nothing, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank you very
giving
much.
this
Thank you very
opportunity.
much. So I'm not an expert in O&M, but anyway, your questions are always cleared by many people. You can also find answers in a shortest time. Thank you for joining. Okay, Saravanan, I am just allowing you to speak, and you can share about you and then your work experience, and then any challenges and opportunities, wins you can also share. Yeah.
Hello, good evening all. Thanks, Mahendran. Actually, after a very long time, I've been connecting here.
Yeah.
And welcome to this session, everyone here. Yeah. And there was a question from Moenda. Maybe I will answer later, whatever I know. C. Lakshman from Wincare. But actually, because this is really a good session, actually, where we can, discuss our challenges and we can learn from each other. And we are building a community here who are all working in the wind industry, which is necessary for the, the time what we live now. So it's not only right now our aim to connect only within our India. So bringing our all Indian colleagues, irrespective of the department they are working in, whether it is O&M or engineering or wherever it is. So this is to exchange our ideas between us, and then we can discuss our challenges so that it will help each other to grow in this industry. Yeah.
True.
Thank you, Mahendran. Thank you, Paul.
Yeah,
nice talking to you.
So
maybe Sri Lakshman, can you explain the question once again? Maybe what was the question?
Okay, so
I was bit searching my mic.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. So Sri Lakshman, you can join and share your 1 second. I will allow you to speak. Yeah. Yes, Sri Lakshman, please share your question. If needed, Saran also can understand Tamil. You can speak in Tamil, then we can translate in the English to all the participants, so it will be helpful. Yeah, please.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, what happened means I go to some called pitch controller communication fault. Pitch controller not get communication to result. So I checked with pitch library. I found two carbon brush change their tracks. It's like 10 tracks there. It's light tracks. Another 10 tracks for stack tracks. That stack tracks. Carbon brush, two carbon brush, change their tracks.
Mm-hmm.
But that fault is triggering. There is no supply in that stack track. Just wire only connected. There is no supply. There is no.
No, it may be used for any signal purpose, right?
Sir?
Is there any signal comes out of those two channels?
No, nothing. That's all spare channels. There is no usage on that. Stack, there is usage only stack. This stack rectifier means we replace to swap that connections to the tracks.
Okay. Now, how it is getting, exchanging their track? It is automatically happening, or by naturally it is happening? It should not change the track.
Yeah, maybe that spring tension getting weak. That during high wind time, that track getting change their tracks like that. Maybe happen.
So what error you are getting basically?
Pitch controller communication fault. Axis 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Okay. That means maybe these two channels may be used for CAN network or something. Or even if it's not used, maybe there are two chances. Either it may be used or it not may be used. But in this case, if it is changing the track, that means it is creating an impedance problem to the communication network. Okay, that may be creating a communication problem. That means either you have to change the brush and ensure that the brushes are running in the right track, or change the entire slip ring itself.
No. I changed that track to correct position. I replaced that spring, new spring.
Okay.
That's getting normal.
Okay. That means you put that carbon brush on right track now.
Correct, sir.
Okay. That means the issue was purely the impedance issue, because even communication channels, it will check both the side. It will check the impedance of the load, because it is even though it is a very small FPGA level signals, it will check the impedance at both the ends. So because it is changing the track, so that may be causing the problem.
Okay. Sri Lakshman got the idea?
That signals, correct, sir?
Yes. So when the change of impedance will completely corrupt your signals, so automatically it will give you the communication error.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. I have understood.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you, Lakshman. Thank you, Saravanan.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
This is because Saravanan can give all technical means control related questions, answers, everything. That's why I request him to join every session because we need more experts to answer different kind of things so that it will help, especially people who are coming new. It will be very much helpful. And so more experts available here, it's really helpful. Thank you, Saravanan, for the answer. Thank you for the wonderful question, Sri Lakshman. I hope you can read
Sir,
more
I have
about.
another one question.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Last week Sunday, I have this in Z turbines, 400 volt input go through.
I think you have to keep your,
then.
you should be like keep your mic close to you so that it will be clear, loud.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
I have faced another one challenge. I attend one fault. The G turbine, 400 volt go to in hub side. I am telling 400 volt go to titanium switch. Then it's go to step down transformer. It's converting a 83.6 volt 80 amps output. It's go to 80 amps switch. Then it's going to some places. Okay. What happened? Only one fuse got failure, but no transformer get failure. Any transformer get failure means the titanium fuse get failure. 2 or 3. Only one get failure. I replaced the one fuse, the turbine got restored. Why that particular one fuse got failure?
Anyone? Saran, can you try this?
Actually, I'm not a completely electrical expert,
Yes.
but I would say maybe as it is actually transformer. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe it is a auxiliary power supply. Maybe one phase might be used heavily than the other phases. So that might be the reason I see the chances for failure of the fuses. But it needs a deep dive basically. Yeah? When it comes to electrical failures, seriously we need to give a serious attention to for this investigation. But high level, I see that that might be the cause.
Super. Okay, thank you. I think Sri Lakshman, please check that whether all 3 lines are loaded equally, or if any load is grounding anywhere and it is like
No, sir.
abnormally
I
loaded.
checked those all normal.
Yeah.
So then I put new fuse and run on, and the turbine got restored. Now maybe 1 week ago. Now still now.
Okay.
No fault coming on.
Okay, so just to check that before that fault is coming, like before you observe that fault, what are the other events happen in your turbine, especially related to that circuit level? Please check that. Then there might be an indication before this fault, like you observe this fault. Please check that. Okay. Normally, what happened? We do post correction. Like something happened after that reactive corrective action we do. But if you get chance now, like before that fault appeared in your status, what are the previous status? You check it out, then you will have some information, and especially the total flow. In the total, whatever the communication or the status you will get related to that particular circuit flow, then you see like if there is any other fault, any other things happen in the, or any other signals you received, or any other status you received before this fault occur, then you will guess what might be the root cause for this particular fault. You can get the idea. Super. Thank you very much. This is also a very wonderful question. Like if more Y&M people joining, like we will see like more like all technical circuit flow, everything we can recollect. Thank you very much. Okay, super. So, anything from Saravanan, you like to share any challenges in this week, which you like to share, or something wins of this week?
Maybe for me, I would say the challenge, what I have now, more than technology, I have a challenge of getting the right people for some of the open positions. If we see one side in industry, our engineers are looking for the jobs.
Yeah.
Other side, we could not able to see the right engineers for some of the positions.
Wow, super.
So basically, it means that the knowledge gap is there. to our engineers
Yeah.
to get learned and get groomed themselves for the future expectation of the industry.
Okay.
So maybe I would recommend that everyone has to be very, very aware
Yeah.
how our industry is growing and what are the new technologies coming in,
Yes.
and how to enhance your skills so that you can grow into different levels.
Wow.
So I would say the major challenge for our industry is the resource challenge now.
Okay.
Mahendran.
So this is like one of the current time challenge. Okay, that also means that you need the people with the relevant experience. Now you are looking for, correct?
Relevant experience, relevant knowledge also.
Yeah, relevant experience and knowledge, right? Super. So that means there is a opening. Okay, that's what I can see. Yes, super. So it means like a surrounding team, we have the opening. People who know and have some experience what he is looking for, people can join. I think few weeks before I shared a lot of opening from Senmian for engineers. I seen like our electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, civil engineer, everything from 3 years to 15 years of experience. Many like some of the your team members shared, I think, like Saran from Senmian.
Yeah.
I seen like in the Excel format they shared, that I also share with many people. So we find like a lot of challenges in getting the right resources. Super. Yes. Thank you very much for sharing. Yeah. And any wins for this week you can share, which somebody can also learn from that. Any wins, small wins, because every time why I'm asking wins, we like achieve so many things in daily basis, but we never recognize that, and we don't appreciate ourselves in our professional life. Never worry about other people appreciating us, that is different thing. But first we should appreciate daily. Okay, today I came here, today I done this work, I completed this, I done some of the project, like some of the projects successfully completed. Are you progress from previous day to current day, everything is a success. So we should exchange that wins and notify that wins, and we should appreciate ourselves, so that we will get positive energy to work in our regular profile and move forward. That's the one reason I used to ask every time, have you noticed your wins for the day? Daily you have to write some wins, so that we will have positive the vibe within us, that will give us like a lot of positive energy to work without any any stress on ourselves. Yeah, please, anyone like Saran, if you like to share any wins from this particular week or few weeks before, whatever you can share.
Wins, there are plenty, but there are small achievements we have.
Yeah.
Maybe I would say overall, the grid requirements, the grid bodies are now convinced with our OEM, basically, because there was a huge understanding gap between the policy, the grid compliance policy, and the OEMs.
Okay.
So I think mostly as an industry, I'm telling, not the personal win, I would say.
Yeah.
It's an industry win, I would say, that our industry able to convince the government body that what it's supposed to be, the policy how it's supposed to be.
Okay, super.
So the policy was having a conflict with their own statements.
Okay.
So now, by the industrial experts, they have shared the knowledge to them, and it was agreed by the parties, both the parties now.
Wow, super. Can you highlight any one or two points, if something very specifically?
Like the FRT grid fault, the fault right through,
Yeah,
the low
right.
voltage right through,
One of
high
the biggest
voltage right
challenge.
through.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So there was they were expecting that within one turbine has to restore to the pre-fault value.
Mm-hmm.
And at the same time, there was a conflicting statement when it comes to the reactive power.
Yeah.
Both cannot be possible, basically.
Yes.
But in the policy, they were expecting both. So technically, that is not possible. So we made them to understand how that has to be done.
Okay, super. This is really very good news for everyone,
So
because
that is the one.
yeah,
Basically, it's really related to parts.
yes, super. Because every time this issue was happening, like everyone in the problem. Super. Thank you very much for sharing. Mr. Thambidurai, like a vast experience. Can you share something with us today? Okay, you can also come back, like other people can come back. Yeah, and then share if you like to share something more. I will move you to listening. What? Yes, Mr. Thambi, are you here? Did you find how to unmute? Yeah. Sri Lakshman, yes, you want to share something meantime? Okay, please. Yes.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
No problem, no problem.
I do looking for job experience.
Okay. So
Surrounds are asking
how many years experience?
that's all. 1.5 years.
1.5 year. Okay. So let us see. Like we can connect. Okay, we can connect you. Then we can try to find it. Yeah. If something suitable is there, you can also approach.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. No problem. Lot of
Okay, sir.
opportunities there,
Thanks.
but no people are available. Actually, truth is this. Like I tell you the fact. Now, anytime you go to any of Indian Energy websites, like at given time, even I take like I am analyzing every weekly how the Vestas is doing, how Yanagan is doing, how other companies are doing, like how many openings are there, GE, everything I am looking into. Like on an average, like you take even if I give the example of Vestas itself, any given time you go somewhere around 680 opening to 1200 openings across the globe. For India, somewhere around 50 to some 120. This is the number. Always you can see. I'm monitoring almost 4 years. 4 years, this is the trend. And very unfortunately, for a few openings, even 6 months, 7 months also, there is no people. It's still open. So the openings are there. If you learn right thing and you approach in the right way, surely you will get it in the right opportunity. That's what I can share now. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, surely you will get like a lot of opportunities. Like if you are interested to learn continuously, there are a lot of opportunity. And I can see very soon new things are also going to come. New challenges also going to come. In that time, we should we should be experts in many fields. Yeah. Once offshore is started, then really it is going to be a different game. Thank you very much. Okay, surely Lakshman. Yeah, we can. You can just chat with Saravanan, or you can check send me on website. Try to apply. Yeah, please. Yes, Mr. Thambidurai, please join us and share your views. I think last time also same challenges with. Hi, Thambi. He is a vast experienced person and he has a like very good rapport with the customers and all. So we got opportunity to work with him like in my earlier company. He is my direct customer, internal customer. Super. Yes, Vijay Kumar, please. Yeah, you can also join, share. We no need to like. Yeah, yes, Vijay Kumar, please share. Yes, you can unmute. Please ask. I don't know. What happened?
Yeah. Sorry, I was in unmute.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, as and this week I started walking in the early morning.
Okay, super cool. Very
So
good.
I noticed that also one of the win in this last week.
Yeah, super, very good. Very nice. You initiated this. Okay, super cool. Okay, one important thing I
Yes.
like
So
to, yeah, super good. Very nice. Happy to.
yeah. You can go ahead.
Yeah, please. Actually, we launched the challenge for people for especially health, physical health and mental health. People interested can join also. That is, I will share the link to you all. Then you can use it. For now, I will share the quiz program. I think some of you already participated. And then I will also share about this fitness challenges. which if you are interested, and you can also check. Otherwise, you can check our LinkedIn profile where you can find this all available. Okay, so fine. Thank you for initiating that. Especially physical health and mental health both are very very important. Thank you for initiating. Meantime, while we are,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah,
Thank you. Thank you.
so thank you for your time.
I have to say thanks to you because you are the one who is motivated
Okay.
that 2 lakhs skipping na?
Yeah.
Every day.
I hope I crossed 1 lakh skipping. I will share the data very soon in 1 or 2 days. Okay, maybe
Yes,
Monday. I
that's
will
good.
share.
Good.
Yeah.
Yes,
Last
sir.
month, May month, let me share my wins also. It might be motivating you for also. So this year, for trainers and coaches, I conducted I scheduled 120 master classes. Out of that, 60 we are on the way to halfway. 60 going to complete. And for the wind energy, okay, wind energy, I planned 40 sessions. So we are halfway through. And for the especially fitness and challenges, 2 lakhs challenges I kept. Now, almost I crossed 1 lakh, I guess. I need to accumulate the values. But last month, I can say May month, 19,565 completed. So this means we are on the way, I guess. Initially, it started with 500 plus. Now it is almost daily going 600 plus. This way the progress is very good, and ultimately, as you said last week, somebody asked about they need the recording of this. So what I done last time, I made it recording available in our YouTube channel. This time also I plan to connect, but my internet was some problem initially, so I am recording now instead of broadcasting, so which we can use it in the coming day. Then very important thing is music for renew, our working professional, that is ready soon. Maybe in the July we will launch, so that people can use music for them, cure themselves in the daily basis. That is in progress. And for my student, existing student, music challenges launched this week. We launched new challenge for learning triad related. Then for trainers, we launched a new challenge, 90-day challenge for this week. Almost some 8 trainers joined the challenge. Maybe let us see how it is going. So this is what we achieved in this week for myself. So thank you for the opportunity. And Reconnect meeting is consistent, and we are able to connect at least every week. We able to attract 4 to 5 people. This is good in the initial state. So maybe very soon it will pick up. And if you invite more people, it will be really going to add a lot of value to people. That's what I see. I also need to promote a lot of things. Then another thing is micro learning. June 1st we launched, and till now 10 videos posted related, especially for wind energy related, and 6 7 some 5 to 4 videos are reached a good number. So more things it will coming, and you can also ask all the questions in our main the priority question link, whatever I shared with as a quiz. In that we have that option. You can also fill it out, your questions. Those questions also can be shared as a video, micro video, so that it is not only from my answers, you also get the answer from many people. That's very important. Apart from that, this week I got opportunity to have almost 4 strategy calls for 2 for trainers, 1 for family, 1 for new business startup. So this is what happening from my side. Okay. Other than that, one important win from my side. One person from Pune, they called me. It's really interesting. It's a really good win. How I forgot this, I don't know. That's the first thing I supposed to say. Okay. So I got a call from one of the wind energy professional. He is working in very important organization, and he called me and he said he want offline sessions for his daughter. Okay, they are going to travel 10 days from Pune to Theni to learn wind resource assessment. This is really big win. I never thought that such calls will come, because it's really amazing, because this is really, I see people are attracted towards wind energy. Really, I'm really happy. Even I don't have that much time. I told them, okay, this is the limited time I have, so we can connect on that day. So they are going to travel here, and he said, like, if possible, you can also share with more people so that more people can participate. We might take maximum 5 to 10 people only. That is the limit for those 10-day session. Let us see. No problem, but it is really very positive sign in this progress. So in this week, these are my wins. It's like many things happening in my life, like it is changing quickly. Thank you very much for the opportunity to share my wins. And a big challenge is like still I need to work on how to reach more people. That is one big challenge, and I think I need to take some more resources so that they can focus on reaching out more people, and I can focus on what is the other things. That is the idea. Okay, thank you. I think we have one more new participants, Malayappa. Yes. If you are interested, you can join us and share you about your wins and challenges and opportunities with us. Can I see full name? I don't know. Okay. Okay, Malayappa Sami. Oh, oh, I think my college mate. No. Yes, I guess so. My college mate, I think so. Okay. Hi, welcome, Malayappa Sami.
Sir, I think the people are facing the issue with this
Unmuting,
joining.
Yeah, unmuting and joining.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think.
So no problem. Thank you very much. So like this moment, I like to share with one of the like a statistic from what is the opening available in Vestas. Okay. So it's a huge information. Actually, I took only from India today. It's a today data. Totally, we have like 1,109 openings available, and very surprisingly, what I like to share with for the India, they have. Give me 1 minute. I will just make it in the format so that I can make it's very much easy to analyze. Home data. Do you remember what is the shortcut to make data into table? I think it's Control T. Okay, done. Super cool. It has become data now. Oh. Okay. So what I see whenever I analyze the thing, openings in wind energy, renewable energy sector. This is very, very important update to all of you. The openings for engineers are huge. Huge means like almost more than somewhere around 40 to 60%. Any organization. I'm going to present those data very soon to all of you. Like you can see that much openings are available for engineers. But outside world, people even don't know. I think we don't know how many openings are available, how we can get into wind energy. People are not aware. So it's very, very important. We should help them to utilize this and use it. Like otherwise, it's a very tough time. Just for now, I'm just sharing with you. Like there are 72 openings are there. Okay. 1 second. Okay. So where to put what? Job family. Give me a second. I'm just making it as a table so that I can. Okay, now I just summarize and share with you, because here we cannot make like presentations. But what I can see For the commercial, there are many categories they have openings. Just for consultation purpose, I made it. Maybe I will share in the screen share, like a screenshot in our link also. You can see the commercial opening, 4 number of commercial openings are there. Okay, I hope it's clear to all. 4 commercial openings are there directly. I will share what that openings also. Then there are engineering 29 openings are there. That's what I told. If you are going totally 73 openings, out of that 30 numbers of engineering directly. Field operation, they are also engineering opening only, but within the engineering department they need 29 people. Okay, it's assistant lead engineers too, many like SCADA engineer, senior software engineer, many things are there. I will share very soon, like maybe in our wind energy professional India group I will share this data so that it will be helpful for all. And field operation, they are looking for 4. Okay, assistant lead engineer, condition monitoring, blade repair technician, wind turbine 1, condition monitoring specialist 1, site manager 1 they want. Finance, they need 1 people. Information and technology, they need 4 people. Okay, and then legal, they need 1, and production team 5 people. Project portfolio management 3, quality and the SHE, they need 5 people. Supply chain and logistic 13 people they need. And other categories they need 4, simulation and electrical design engineers, all are engineering only. So if I add engineering related opening 29 plus 4 plus 4, 33, 37, and O&M also you can take like so 37 opening out of 73, 37 is for engineers only engineers. You can see this number. This is what I like to share with everyone. So we have like a very good opportunity to do this. Okay, but whether we are utilizing it or not, that is up to us. Okay, so I will include this link, like I made this analysis in Excel format. So like from the website I take the data and do the analysis and I share. So that also I will add. Maybe you can utilize whenever you have the time, you check it out. I do for many companies, so I will share with you, you can utilize it. So if you have any questions or any interested opening, like let me read some of the openings for engineering so that you will understand what is there in the opening. Assistant lead engineer design TCM and work instruction, they are, and WRE also they are looking for assistant lead engineer, and PLM and MDM assistant lead engineer FEA structural design, they are looking for the people. Quality also they are looking for assistant lead engineer and lead engineer. So all the cases, design also they need, CAD engineers they need, ECM engineer, like a cost cut engineer, cost out engineers, electrical design engineers, ECM engineer, and data analytics engineers they are looking for. Wow, structural engineers, FEA and WRE again one more, design quality engineers, electrical standardization engineers, power system analysis specialist, product cost engineers, SCADA engineers, senior engineers, software engineers, C++, all openings are available. It's like super cool, so much. Okay, so it's a one company. Even I'm doing analysis from across, not only India, I took companies from Europe and US, China, here East India, anywhere. If I do the analysis, especially for wind energy sector, I can see minimum 40% is engineering demand, direct engineering department demand. So this is one of the very positive sign within the wind energy sector. So if you choose some particular role and if you prepare yourself for that role, surely you can excel in our industry without any problem. Nobody can stop you. That much is available. That's what I want to share with you at this moment. And if you like, Ganesh also joined recently. Okay, let us hear from Ganesh. Before we are closing, let us hear from Ganesh. Once the session is over, I will upload the recording afterwards. Thank you very much. So Ganesh, you can unmute and you can join the thing and you can share your challenges if you are anything facing now, or if you want to share the opportunities and wins, you can also share. Vijay, you have any questions before that? Before Ganesh is getting ready?
No, sir. It was good, and I would like to add one more point.
Yeah.
Like you can in the upcoming session,
Yeah.
like as Saravanan Perisami mentioned, what are the skills we have to enhance it based on the new technology? For example,
Yeah.
you can you can tell to the people,
Yeah.
for example, what are the tools or interesting
Yes.
technologies.
Surely.
For example, you take AI,
Yeah.
artificial intelligence, or Python.
Yeah.
Which are the most important? We can spend the time parallel to grow our career,
Yes.
personal growth. So that also you can share your
It
knowledge.
is all included in our program. We need to now the main point, we are not discussing any other thing other than wind energy. The reason is people should come here and they see the value here. Then if more people start coming, then we can talk about more outside of our scope. Now we need to solve
Yes.
purely the directly what Vijay Kumar need, what Sri Lakshman need, what me I need, or Thambi need, or Saravanan need, or Ganesh need. Once this is fulfilled, then we will think about these are all our basic needs in the industry. Then we can get into what is the advancement thing. But everything in plan, surely,
Yes, yes, yes.
surely it is taken. We are going to add lot of valuable things to every session, and every month one time we will connect in Zoom meeting also. Okay, so that is our
Yes, sir.
commitment.
Sure, sure.
Surely in the last Saturday or last to last, okay, 24th we will connect in the Zoom meeting. I will create the meeting now itself, and I will share it there. People, I will invite. You have to invite more people because I know many minimum people. You know some people, so everyone invited. Then the meeting will be more value added. Okay, surely.
Yes, sir. Sure, sure.
So and simply Excel itself, we need to learn lot. Okay, many people even don't know doing this. Okay, so
Yes, yes, yes.
so a simple table function and now they are come up with a lot of mathematical functionality to do the analysis. That's also there, and Power Query, Power BI, many things are available. We can use it. Super.
Okay, okay.
As you highlighted,
Sure.
AI and Python, yes, we can do. And if you are interested, we have the people like open source also. Python already, Tamil information also available. Okay, they start the Python in Tamil, that is also available. I can introduce such content also. Apart from that, okay, maybe next week I will come up with what are the free courses offered by Microsoft, and one side Microsoft, another side Google are providing a lot of free and open source softwares training and coaching. You can attend, and that you can use it for data analytics, especially data analysis related and reporting, visualization, and AI related. I am also going to join AI generative new courses, maybe because that is a very nearby future. It's already started, but a regular basis now it is a lot of people are laid off, especially from the IT industry. Very soon it is going to come in every industry. So we should learn those things, skills. Really, thank you very much. We will include everything. Okay, first we will see about all the industry related softwares and what are the new things we can learn. That's also we include. Super cool. Thank you. Thank you, Vijay. Okay, so anybody have any? Yeah, thank you, Vijay. Any other specific questions from anyone? Tamidra, you can come and just say hi, and that's okay. He is he said, he messaged me, maybe he connect in the next meeting itself. Okay, cool. So thank you everyone for joining. Let us wind up today. So today we covered a very important thing about what is our motto. It is ultimately creating very good knowledge base within Indian wind energy professionals. Ultimately, what we want, by gaining this knowledge, we want to contribute to the sustainable development of the world, and how we are going to achieve it through our knowledge, how we can contribute to whatever the role we are playing, and again taking that expertise to our life and implement from the society whatever we are learning which are sustainable. That also we can bring it to our workplaces, So this is ultimate for this. So what is the main thing? Since you already in wind energy, that means you are already part of sustainable development. So India is doing its part in the sustainable development. In that progress, implementation progress, why I initiating so many things? That is one reason. India is in 121, the position number 121 in the process of implementing United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. As a nation, very youngest nation, very powerful human resource is with us. With this kind of resources, especially human resources and all other resources also very good in India compared to many other countries. But still, every year we are going back, means in the global listing. This is one of the worrying point. So we should whatever the communication happening inside India in different format, but officially India is reporting how we are progressing in every field. Like there are 17 goals created. Out of that, what we are focusing, the goal number 7, clean, affordable clean energy for everyone. That is the goal number 7. In that process, and implementing all other goals, 17 goals, you can check all the 17 goals details in our website itself. You can see in the first page, if you go, you have the opportunity to learn that. So in the 17 goals process, we are already facing challenges. So as an individual, as a group of people working in renewable energy sector, how we can contribute to that progress. That's also one of the important mission. And as I told, like in the beginning, I got a lot of things from renewable energy sector. So it is my turn to give back to renewable energy sector. So that's one. And third important thing is like whatever we learn from our ancestors from India or from Tamil Nadu, they lived a very sustainable life. That's why our nature was very good for at least before 100 years or 150 years. Now we are facing a lot of challenges in that. So we have to utilize that knowledge to live a carry forward sustainable lifestyle. That is also another important reason why I'm continuously pushing every part of every button wherever possible. So this is the progress. And once again, I would like to thank every one of you taking your valuable time, especially on Saturday evening. It is not the easiest time to come here and connect and share your thoughts, ideas, and challenges and wins. So once again, I like to thank every one of you for joining. And we connect next week as a audio event. Next week, that means on 24th, we will connect as a Zoom meeting. In another 30 minutes, I will create a ReConnect audio event and also video event. You can start registering for both the event so that you can join us in the coming events without missing it. From my side, I want request to all of you, because I'm also trying to reach more people through multiple ways, but still anyone, like each one of you bring someone, one people or two people, then this place will be more value added. More knowledge we can gain and do it. We can more structurize and take it forward. And to connect the people, we created LinkedIn Wind Energy Professional India LinkedIn group. That also you can join and invite more people. Instead of me inviting many things, you can also invite and start sharing very valuable content in the group. That way we can attract more people, and very soon we can have physical events also. Maybe coming years we can meet in some places, and we can discuss 1 or 2 days. We can meet together and we discuss. We create a very good agenda and we can discuss and come up with some very good solutions. For that reason, I request every one of you to watch what are the sustainable solutions coming to us across the world. What is the new innovation happening, and let us see something we can do within our country, which should be accessible to every Indians, so that it will be very much helpful. For that, I make one question in front of you. Like you can see, like almost every Indian using mobile phone, at least one mobile phone. So you can see somewhere around 100 and minimum, I'm saying minimum 100 crore mobile phone is operating in India. So if we found any solutions without connecting to grid, if we can help the people to charge their mobile, it is that itself a big achievement. This is one open challenge for all of us. Like that, you can create like lot of challenges, and we look for the solutions in other countries also, and then we can collaborate with them, or we can find something very cheapest way also in our country, or we can do it. So with this open question to you, just let us think very deep and find like very useful solution for our country and our people and to the world and other species also, because we should not disturb other species. With this note, I would like complete this session. Again, one more time, I would like to thank for joining. And a very important message from World Environment Day. Actually, we celebrated a few days before. The message is like beat plastic pollution. Okay, if you are able to find some solution, that's also very good for us. Beat plastic pollution. So how we are going to beat the plastic pollution? It's killing every species. Okay, so please think about this. If possible, come up with some new ideas or thing. Like you cannot hold or consolidate something, you can just post it in our wind energy, like Wind Energy Professionals India LinkedIn group, so that it will be consolidated in single place. We can discuss about that in the future sessions also. Thank you once again. I will upload the recording, then I will share the link in the next meeting so that you can watch it. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
See you.
Yeah, thank you, Saravanan. Thank you, Silakshman. Thank you, Tambitraji. Next time I am looking for you to speak. Okay, he left. Okay, thank you all.